Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today we are making bunny muffins. What's a bunny muffin? Well, it's a recipe my mom came up with around Easter time, and really it just means that she added some leftover carrots, cooked carrots, in the muffins to make a really healthy, delicious breakfast or sweet or just anytime snack. Mom's recipe will be in the description below, along with the links to the products you see me using here. Remember, subscribe to the Little House of Beans, smooshy the like button, hit the notification bell, and join our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. My cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, is available on Amazon and as an ebook. Now, let's get ready to make these delicious, healthy muffins called Mom's Bunny Muffins. Let's eat.
Hop, 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 hop.